Do you want to know how to get the Dark Mage unit in Anime Adventures? Don't worry because I will show you how to get him and to how you can increase your chances on getting him every round. So to get Dark Mage, we will just have to play the holiday event. I recommend you to find players in the Discord server because in the matchmaking feature, it have a lot of leechers. Now there are two secret units that you can get here, the Enlightened one and the Dark Mage. It is pretty simple method but it takes a lot of time because you will need to spam this event and you need luck of course. You won't get the unit right away. You will get a portal, the Dark Mage portal, and this is what it looks like. Now you will need to team up with this, but this is pretty easy compared to the Enlightened portal. Here is the clip of me getting the Dark Mage. As you can see, it only have 20 waves and 3 paths. And to boost the chances on getting secret portals, I recommend you using the holiday event units that you can summon, like Elf Mage, Cream, Siren, and even the new Aizen Transcended. Oh, and the Ice Claw from the banner. It gives you also a boost. But if you don't have those yet, you can equip skins that you also summoned from the Icy Star, like this Menace skin and the Blood Cry. Each unit from the holiday event gives you additional 40% chance to drop a secret. The max cap is at 100%, so my team is like this. My main DPS, 3 of the holiday units to give me boost, and 2 farm units, so I can get 100% chance for secret portal. But I've been grinding this more than 100 times already, but all I get is the Dark Mage portal and not the Enlightened one. Now, is the Dark Mage worth going for? The quick answer and explanation is yes, because he is a hybrid at placement and full AoE on his last upgrade. He is a pretty good unit too to have as a beginner. Now let's showcase him. So on placement without all of the buffs, he deals 21,000 damage. And my trait by the way is Superior 3. And let's upgrade him and buff him with my buffs. So for the second move, he deals 90,000 damage. And for the third move, he deals 198,000 damage. And for the next upgrade on his move, it is called the Black Rain, which is his full AoE. And now let's max him. So at max, he deals 595,000. Now let's do the Oshi buff. And now he deals 684,000 damage. Now let's do the Wind Dragon Infinite buff. So at 100% magic buff, he deals 1.27 million damage. And now let's do the Griffin buff. So I have a Griffin that gives 114% buff. So the damage of our Dark Mage is now at 1.87 million damage with all of the buffs combined. And that's how you get and increase your chances to get the Dark Mage. So good luck on grinding and happy grinding.